Hey everyone, we are Team Glucondi and this is Docent AI. If you're a developer, you already know the pain. Documentation is everywhere, like official document links, PDFs, docs, yet it's hard to read them and you're just jumping from IDs to tabs to search bar, which is really a pain. This is our problem statement. Developers today experience what we call documentation fatigue. Docs are fragmented across websites and PDFs, and it's hard to search unless you already know what you're exactly looking for. The main issue is that they don't answer your question. They explain their APIs and functions, but like you are just there to center your dev dude. Well, this is where Docent AI comes in. We created this Docent AI. It's a retrieval augmented generation platform. You can ingest live documentation websites, upload your docs, PDFs, and then you can ask in plain English, and DoceNTI gives you context-based, grounded answers and clean formatted code snippets wherever needed. And main thing is there's zero hallucination. If he doesn't see the question in the document itself, it won't answer unless you explicitly ask it to. Uh, uh, Everything is document. We should just hop to the app itself. When you log in, you see your interface like this. It's a really good interface. Uh, the idea is that you give a link or upload a document or like paste anything here. I'm not just pasting anything. I don't really have a shareable document right now. So let's just move to library. I mean, you can go to a official doc, whatever you want, and copy the link and give it to here. But for the speed sake, we are, let's say, choosing Next.js and start the chat. What it will do, it will scan the website and convert it into raw text, and then raw text is then converted into vector embeddings, and vector embeddings are then stored in Pinecone database. What this does is it helps us score the question based on the user's token, so the answer is point to point, no hallucinations. Well, you see, I asked a question, it gave me a pretty straightforward answer. Main thing is, like if you use ChatGPT and other chatbots, they tend to give a outdated answer. Well, this is what we fixed here. It scans directly the time you gave the document, so it's live. Also, I mean, you might have a question to why use it? Why is it different from other chatbots? Thing is, it's a multimodal architecture. Like we are using Gemini for embeddings and vision, Grok for the interference. We have a strict RAG governance. The model is explicitly instructed to answer only from the retrieved context. And I mean, for the code part, it's enterprise-based, reliable. Like the fact that we had free APIs, we are switching constantly whenever one API limit hits. And as you can see, it's developer first, like code blocks, explanation, clarity. I can ask whatever I want. I can, let's say, yeah, yeah, nah, don't mind that. You can test it. I mean, but thing is, it's using a crawl for AI, which uses Playwright. So I don't think the web version will be this good because render doesn't really allow installing your third-party tools. Uh, yep. So, well, this to wrap it up, DoceNTI turns static documentation into an interactive, intelligent assistant, and it saves time, reduces errors, and keep developers in flow. Well, have a nice day.